Jai Sai Ram, Chapter 35. Foresight of Sannyasi's Death by Sai Baba, Story of Mankar, Salvation of Two Tiger. Foresight of Sannyasi's Death by Sai Baba. A South Indian recluse called Vijayananda went for the pilgrimage of Manasarovar. On the way, he heard the fame of Baba and came to Shirdi, where he met Swami Somdev of Haridwar, and he asked about the pilgrimage of Mansarovar from him. Hearing the description from Swamiji, he got disheartened. He left the idea of pilgrimage and going into the mosque, touched the feet of Sai Baba. Baba shouted in anger, "Take out this worthless recluse." The recluse was totally unknown by the nature of Baba. He felt very disgusted, but whatever movements were going on there, occupying a seat, he kept looking on them. The morning court was fully packed by people and Baba was being bathed. Someone was washing his lotus feet, others were satisfying their eyes by touching his feet, and some others by touching the sacred place. Some people were applying sandalwood paste while others were sprinkling fragrance on his body. Forgetting the differences of caste and greed, all the devotees were doing this work. Although Baba had become angry on that recluse, even then great love was rising in his heart for Baba. He was not feeling to leave his place. After 2 days of a letter came from Madras that the condition of his mother was very serious, reading which he became very disappointed. He, taking the letter in his hand, came near Baba and asked for his permission to return to his house. Baba told him, "When you are attached that much with your mother, then why did you take the trouble to become a recluse? Does affection and ignorance adorn them who wear a saffron cloths? Go, remaining silently at your place, spend some days with calmness. But beware, there are a lot of thieves in the Vada. So live with care, closing the doors, otherwise thieves will take away everything. Lakshmi of our wealth is restless, this body is also perishable. Thinking like this, leaving the greed of this world and the other world, leaving the attachment of all materials, do your duty. One who behaves like this goes to the shelter of Hari. He soon gets rid of all the strifes and achieves the eternal joy. One who remembers and meditates God with love, God also helps him. Due to the good deeds of previous birth, you have reached here. Now, whatever I say, listen carefully. Think over the last aim of your life. After becoming selfless from today, start reading the Bhagavad for 3 days, 3 weeks. Then God will be pleased and your all strifes will be destroyed. Shading off the curtain of Maya illusion, you will achieve peace." Baba, foreseeing his death, had told him this solution and along with it ordered to read Ram Vijay, due to which Yamaraj, the god of death, becomes happy. Next day, after taking bath, making other deeds of purity, sitting lonely in the Landi Bagh, he started reading the Bhagavad. After finishing the second reading, he became very tired, came to Vada and stayed there for 2 days. And the third day, he breathed his last in the lap of Baba. Baba ordered to keep his body for sight for 1 day. After that, police came and after essential inspection ordered to take away the body. With religious deeds, his tomb was made at the proper place, Baba helping him in the way to get his salvation. Story of Mankar. A great devotee of Baba, Balakram Mankar, after the death of his wife, becoming depressed, came to Shirdi and began to live near Baba. Baba gave him 12 rupees and told him to go to Machhindragarh, district Satara, and lived there. Believing Baba, he went to Machindragarh. He started meditation of God according to method told by Baba, and after some days had the sight of God. After having the sight, he asked the person of sending him here from Baba. Baba said in Shirdi, various type of resolutions and confusions has begun to rise in the mind. For this reason I sent you there so that your restless mind may get peace at that place. Your belief was that I am in Shirdi only, and I am nothing than a effigy of 3.5 hands consisting of 5 elements. But now, seeing me, you make your retention firm that who is present in Shirdi before you and whose you have the sight are the same or not. Mankar, leaving that place, started for his residence at Bandra. He wanted to go from Pune to Dadar by rail, but when he reached the ticket window, he could not purchase the ticket due to heavy rush. He became very happy after getting the ticket from a rural man and started to take out money from his pocket. In the meantime, the man who gave him the ticket disappeared in the crowd. In this miraculous way, Mankar had sight the second time. After staying at his house for some days, Mankar came back to Shirdi and, living near the feet of Sai, began to pass his days. In the end, he passed away before Almighty Sai. Salvation to Tiger. A bullock cart stopped in front of the mosque just 7 days before Baba took Mahasamadhi, final contemplation, on which a tiger was fastened with chains. His fearful mouth was towards backside. He was distressed by some unknown pain. His owners were 3 dervish, who by going from one village to another, daily making his show before the people, earned their living. They tried all the methods of treatment, but all in vain. From somewhere they heard the fame of Baba, and they were coming to Baba with the tiger. Holding the chains by their hands, they made the tiger stand at the gate of the mosque. He was naturally dangerous, but due to the pain, he was restless. People began to look towards him with fear and astonishment. Darwish came in and told the situation to the tiger, and with Baba's permission brought the tiger before him. As soon as he reached near the stairs, the same way, looking at the splendorous form of Baba, he once stepped backwards and bowed his neck. When both saw each other, then Tiger climbed the stairs and began to look towards Baba with lovely sight. Waving his tail 3 times, and Tiger struck it on the ground and immediately died. Seeing him dead, Darwish became hopeless and sad. After that, when they came to in the senses, they thought that the creature was ill and his death was imminent. Okay, it was good for him that he died at the feet of his great saint. He was indebted towards Darwish, and when the debt was finished, he became free. At the end of his life, got salvation at the lotus feet of Sai Baba. Jai Sai Ram.